Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to create SMS campaigns in Octane AI. So to create SMS campaigns in Octane AI, you'll need to integrate with an SMS platform like Attentive or SMS by Zapier. Octane AI allows you to collect SMS opt-ins through its quizzes and then sync that data with your chosen SMS platform. From there, you can build and send SMS campaigns using the feature of your chosen platform, leveraging Octane AI's quiz data for personalization. So step number one, you need to set up your SMS opt-ins in Octane AI. Create a quiz and design a quiz in Octane AI that includes an SMS opt-in question. Now collect data. When users complete the quiz and opt-in, their information, including phone number, is captured and stored. Integrate with your SMS platform. So whichever one you use, so Attentive. If using Attentive, connect the integration within Octane AI's integration page. Authorize the connection and input your Attentive signup source ID. Now for Zapier, use Zapier to connect Octane AI with SMS by Zapier. With other platforms, explore integrations with platforms like Klaviyo for SMS capabilities or consider some custom integrations with platforms like Recart. And after that, just build your SMS campaigns and send it. That's it. Thanks for watching.